guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just gonna kind of bring you along with all my adventures because I have a lot of different things to do today. I already went to the gym and now I'm on my way to Harbor Freight because I need to buy some tools so that I can work on cars. I need to do some like maintenance work on the daily that I'm driving. It needs an oil change, and then I need to check the tie rods. I need to replace the high pressure fuel pump, and then I'm gonna see how difficult it would be to replace the 3 motor mounts that are bad. So we'll see how that goes. But I am going to unbolt the mufflers and see how that sounds because I hate how my exhaust sounds. So it's one whole piece, so I have to unbolt it from behind the H pipe. So I'm gonna unbolt it from behind the H pipe, see how it sounds. If I like it, we'll go from there. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. It's one whole piece from in front of the H pipe all the way back. So actually I think it's one whole piece, period. So it's either I just send it and sawzall off the mufflers, or I need to find a sawzall. Sick. Now I can open it. Always. Okay, I've decided that I'm gonna take the rest of my back seats out. I already have the like bottom part out because it literally just pops out, but I'm gonna take the back parts off. So I'm just gonna unbolt the brackets from the car and take them completely out. So give me something to do. not dumping out all my sockets. At least they didn't go out of the car, but still, it's really annoying. I knew better. I always know better. I get to do this side. I have so much trash. Zip ties. God, I'm a disaster. Okay. It's a good thing I'm small. I just pinched myself. I'm good. So right now I'm just taking out the bolts in this bracket, which is what I did over there, and popped it off. And then I took this. Oh! That was so stupid. I touched it and it closed on my head. I took the bolt out of this bracket, so this bracket comes out, and then that one, and then I'm gonna take the seatbelt thingies out. Yeah. Okay, I kind of forgot to film a little bit there. I didn't end up doing a lot of the stuff that I wanted to do. Didn't get the oil changed on the Passat. Found out that it doesn't need tie rods. The tie rods are fine, so you guys get to come with me to Pavilions and yeah, check out all the cars. Comes to car meet only to stare at our own cars and take pictures of them. Anyways, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notifications for new videos. I always appreciate your guys' support, so thanks.